This is Ken from JazzTime.com. JazzTime is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from us once in a while. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore Chronograph black Arabic stainless steel with a leather bracelet. Reference number 26470ST.OO.A101CR.01. So I'm going to talk to you about the dial, the bezel, the case, the movement, and the bracelet. And I'm going to try it on and let you guys see how it looks on my wrist. Now the case uses a stainless steel glare-proof sapphire crystal and case back with a black ceramic push pieces and screw down crown. Now what does all that mean? Well, basically that the case is steel and that these push buttons right here are ceramic. Now why would they want to make them ceramic here? Well, I think partly it's because of the look, and also this is a part that often gets banged on watches, and if you make it in ceramic it's much less likely to scratch, and if they were to scratch, if they were steel, it'd be really difficult to polish. I think that's why they made it in ceramic. But that's just my guess. Now, the case itself is pretty interesting. It's actually this case right here. This part is a bezel, and this is actually a rubber. You actually smash those things together. It's actually three pieces. Once you put it together, the movement is inside. Okay, so I'm going to show you the movement. Now, this movement is really nice, as obviously as you see. It's a caliber 3126. 3126. It has a frequency of 21,600 VPH, and it has a monoblock in 22 karat gold. That's the oscillator that you see right here, and it has 59 joules, and it's power reserve of 50 hours, and it has a bunch of other things like 365 parts, blah blah blah. But all that basically tells you is it's a really nice movement. If you ever get a chance to own one of these or look at one of them, you'll probably be staring at this all day. It looks really great. Okay? And I think the coolest part is that this 22 karat gold rotor, the rotor being this thing right here, the thing that winds the watch, you can actually see it. You know, on previous generations, they had it not transparent. So why make a beautiful case movement if you can't see it? Well, AP makes it so that you can see it. Okay, now since we're talking about the case, from my thumb to my index finger is 14.55 millimeters. It's actually kind of a thick watch, like around the thickness of like a deep sea. So this offshore, yeah, they're pretty thick watches. So, and it's 42 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. So, like, it's big but not super big. Okay, it has a water resistance of 100 meters. Okay. Now let's talk about this dial. The dial is a black dial with mega tapestry patterns, okay, with these red accents. So what does that mean? The mega tapestry dial is like, you see how it looks like a waffle, you know? It has like these squares right there. It actually looks really 3D, and in person it looks even better. On the video it's kind of hard to see it. I'm trying to hold it to the light so you can see it. But yeah, it gives the watch like a 3D look, and AP is really known for that. Now it also has this Arabic numerals with luminescent coatings that you can see at night. Now I'm going to try to luminesce it for you so that you can see what it looks like. You see that? I think that looks really cool. I mean, at nighttime you can read your watch, right? And well, hopefully you can. I think that looks pretty cool. Okay, now let's move on to the bracelet. Now the bracelet is pretty cool. Also, it uses this leather hornback. And I'm like, what is a leather hornback? Well, you see this little bump right here? I've never seen another watch manufacturer have like this horn right here. You know, I don't really know what the point of it is, but it looks really cool. You know, maybe you could like, I don't know. Anyways, it's just like some bump, you know, and it looks really cool. Hornback, I'm sure somebody knows. If you know what it is, tell me what it is in the description below. Now, it uses this red stitching. I think it was also really nice. And overall, I just think it looks like a great watch. So if you like this watch, I would like you to come to JazzTime and buy it. And if we have already sold this watch by the time you're looking at this video, we certainly could order you another one, because that's what we do for a living. And all you gotta do is pay a deposit, and of course we can order for you. So give us a call. If you like this video, subscribe. Don't be shy. If you have something to say, leave it in the comment section below. I won't erase it, I promise. Even if you have something nasty to say. Okay?
More about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on show more to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.